Good morning, readers. Check that you're ready to learn. You're sitting next to your partner, you have all your materials, and you're facing forward. Today's learning target is I'm learning to understand how to work with a partner. Starting today, we're going to be choosing books that we will read with our partners. So let's fill out our reading learning intention for today. The date is 9/22. Leave your book that you are reading blank because you have not chosen your partner book yet. You'll be doing that after the mini lesson. And then we can do, today as a reader, I am working on maybe how to work with my partner or how to set a reading goal with my partner. So I'm going to say how to work with my partner. So today with your partner, with the guidance of your teacher, you'll be choosing a just right book, and you and your partner will be reading that same book. In the front of each of the rooms, we have bins of fiction books where you can really focus on the characters in those books. Since our unit is all about character work, you and your partner now are really going to dive deep into that character work together. When we partner read, we need to make sure we have some guidelines. So we need to make sure that partners are setting goals with each other and following those goals so that one partner isn't finished with a book while the other is only maybe on page 20 or something like that. We need to make sure that each day partners are finishing at the same spot so you're able to talk about the books to the spot you both are at. We will be meeting with our partners at the end of reading class on Tuesday and Thursdays. So on Mondays and Wednesdays, those will just be reading days. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, we'll have that extra time to talk with our partners about our books and the characters in our books, and making those great inferences and predictions that we've been working on as well. So since today is Tuesday, we're just going to get started with our books, and then we'll do our first meeting on Thursday. That way we'll have some time to read our books and take some really good stop and jots so that we're ready to come together on Thursday with our partner and have a conversation. So today what we need to do after we pick our book is to set a goal with our partner about how much we're able to read by our next meeting. I know that I have today, which is Tuesday. We'll also have a shorter time tomorrow to read, and we'll have Thursday to read up until we have our share time. So that's a pretty good chunk of time that we'll have to read before meeting with our partners. So we need to make sure we set a goal that will keep us busy through most of that time. If you happen to get finished with your partner goal early, then what you would do is read your choice book. On the other hand, if you did not get finished with that goal before Thursday, you'll need to make sure that you are taking your book home so that you don't get behind. So for example, me and my partner chose Because of Winn-Dixie as our partner book. We decided that we want to read to chapter 3 by that time. I noticed that chapter 3 doesn't have a page number, but next to it is page 21. So I could say we are going to read to page 20 by Thursday. That way I know exactly what I need done and by when. So a specific page number, so there's no questioning like, did I mean actually read chapter 3 or only up to chapter 3? If I put a specific page number, then I know that's where I stop. I can then keep this sticky note as my bookmark so I have it in my book and can refer back to it each day that I read. This goal setting is a very important step in our partner work because it ensures that every person knows exactly what they're supposed to do and can come prepared to their meetings. Another important thing to know is that from here on out, When you choose your reading spot, you should be choosing one next to your reading partner. You can still have that arm's length space away so that you're in your comfortable spot, but you need to be right by your reading partner in case you're not quite sure and you missed maybe what your goal was and you need to ask them, or for times when we might do some partner reading, you will have that partner right next to you. And that way we won't even have to get up when we go to have our partner discussions. You'll be right there. So as you go off today to choose your seat, you'll be choosing one next to your reading partner. So today as we go off from the carpet, we have a lot of things to remember. We're going to choose a spot next to our reading partner. Then we're going to read our choice book, the one that we've had in our bag so far. When a teacher calls you, you're going to choose your partner book from one of the baskets in the front of the room. Then, with your partner, you're going to set a goal for what to have ready for the first partner discussion, which will be on Thursday at the end of reading. Next, you'll make a sticky note with that goal, and you'll keep that as your bookmark. And finally, you'll go back and start reading that partner book. Make it a great day.